How to make $100 per day on YouTube without making your own videos and without showing your face. Go to YouTube and you can search any keyword. For this example, I used how to make pancakes. And you'll see many videos here pop up on YouTube for your search term. Click the filter option over here and search over for the Creative Commons option. Click on Creative Commons. All the videos over here fall under the Creative Commons license category, meaning you are allowed to reuse these videos as your own. Let me explain what Creative Commons is. By marking your original video with the Creative Commons license, you are granting the entire YouTube community the right to reuse and edit the video as their own. Download a Creative Commons YouTube video with a lot of views like this one. Start your own YouTube channel, of course. Come over to clickbank.com. Type in the search bar recipe which relates to your pancake and cooking niche channel. Pick a promotion and put the affiliate link in the description of the YouTube video about pancakes and recipes. Then rinse, repeat, and make sure to follow me here and on my YouTube channel